Establishing a seedbed using Cherokee's erosion control blankets. As with any seeding project, begin by preparing the seedbed. A proper seedbed is established when the soil is well tilled, completely free of any rocks or debris, and fine grading is completed. Once you have prepared the soil, you will need to add soil and seed amendments. A soil test is recommended to ensure the correct minerals and fertilizers are used. Unroll the Cherokee erosion control blankets over the newly seeded area, ensuring that blankets are free of any wrinkles and have good soil contact. Make sure you overlap the edges of the blankets, creating a shingling effect to prevent undermining from water channeling or sheet flow. Fasten the blankets to the soil per manufacturer's recommendation for your specific site conditions. Blankets may be fastened with wood stakes, staples, or other various earth anchors. Now you are ready to apply the proper amount of water. With proper installation, Cherokee erosion control blankets will ensure a quicker and more efficient establishment for the vegetation on your project and prevent harmful soil erosion.